Hello dear colleagues, I'm glad that we meet again, and in this video we'll talk about the interest of non-folkloric musicians to Bulgarian folk music. Practicing Bulgarian folk music from professional and non-professional musicians in Bulgaria is a natural process. Even most of the amateurs here are playing this music on a good level. Some of them became icons in their traditional art because they have been studied since they were children. They have lived with this music, listening to it and practicing every day, learning from other brilliant performers just by hearing and imitating. Through the years, they enrich their skills and turn it to a profession. But if you don't have any pre-flighting preparation, so you're on the right place. In the online platform BFM&M, we point out our efforts to help those musicians who already have been working in some other genre but has some interest to the traditions of other ethnicity groups and nationalities. In case you're one of them, let's talk about some different aspects. The first thing is the interest of non-folkloric musicians from Bulgaria. In our country, the interest of non-folkloric musicians to Bulgarian folk music is quite common. This could be explained easily because of the feeling of patriotism, because these people are closer to the traditions, knows it best, and realize its uniqueness. They are trying to find a way to use it in their own composing and performing style. Inside the borders of our country, the personal meetings and informal communication with folk musicians is easy to achieve. This way, sharing an information is quite easier, and it's a circumstance to find a better setting for a collective work, playing, teaching and training. A lot of music projects are affecting Bulgaria, and along with the professionalists, many non-folkloric musicians are also taking part. Of course, every one of them has a different level, but most important is that anyway we can feel that they are looking for that uniqueness that Bulgarian folk music gives you. They are trying to find something that may help to make their new music projects more interesting, impressive, original, and of course to make the process of selling that product easier. Most cases, folk music is combined with other genres, as pop, jazz, funk, hip-hop, rock, house, and others. And also, projects that we couldn't define in just one genre are also existing. Their music is a collaboration of ethno, jazz, rock, and funk elements. You may check out the links below that video and hear some examples. Seems like in Bulgaria, when we're talking about the interflowing of different genres by non-folkloric musicians, the interest is much about the vocal music. The answer is simple, and actually it's not one but two answers. First of all, it's quite easier to integrate a vocal melody to a modern arrangement. Doesn't matter what genre we're talking about. And about the instrumental music, it's not necessary for a jazz musician, for example, to learn to play folk music because here in Bulgaria there are a lot of quality folk musicians that's easy to contact and work with. I'm talking about those music projects because they exist and they are a proof for the interest to Bulgarian folk music of non-folkloric musicians from Bulgaria. But I should say that our job is based on something else. This platform is mostly designed for those of you who are abroad, all over the world, because your chances for contacts and working with professional folk musicians that you may share some experience with are limited. So here we go into the second aspect, the interest of non-folkloric musicians out of Bulgaria. Here it's necessary to distinguish two different aspects, the Bulgarian communities all over the world, and on the other hand, people from other nationalities. Let's talk about both of the cases. The Bulgarians that live abroad, doesn't matter how long is that, are using Bulgarian folk music to prove their identity. Far away from your country, it's really hard to keep your traditions, and often you accept the way of living and the mentality of the society that you become a part of. And that's okay, that's something good. But in certain moments in the year, usually some celebrations, these people need to remind themselves for their childhood, for the years when they have lived in their homes with their relatives. Here comes the meaningful place of Bulgarian folk music, which is used to keep their spirit bright, to transfer them mentally and emotionally to a different place and time, to teach their children of who they are and where they are coming from. This music becomes an illustration of those moments. That's the easiest way to get back in the past, even just in your mind and thoughts, even just for a moment. Every year, Bulgarian musicians are visiting those societies in different countries for different occasions, and that's because they need this music. Living on different places all over the world, these people have the chance to enjoy concerts of many world-famous singers, instrumentalists, bands and orchestras. But the pleasure and the emotional experience that Bulgarian music brings to them, mostly folk music, is just incomparable. A lot of our friends, schoolmates, fellow students and colleagues are interested in practicing Bulgarian folk music in different forms, and many of them doesn't live in Bulgaria for years. Out of our country, they get together in a dance formations, choirs and ensembles, playing, singing and dancing in Bulgarian style. Sometimes the participants are professional folk musicians, but most of the cases they're not. And this is available because of something that we can find if we get back into history. Decades ago, some classic instruments stepped into our music tradition. As a result, now many musicians are using accordion, clarinet, saxophone and other instruments to play Bulgarian folk music. And usually these kind of musicians are accompanying to singers or dance formations or just play for a hobby. It's important to point out that here I don't mean a few people who are professional players of Bulgarian folk music, living abroad for years and organizing some training courses and master classes. More information about their activity will be periodically published on this website. The second aspect is people from other nationalities. In my practice in scientific research about different aspects of this traditional art, I personally get in touch with the interest to Bulgarian folk music of musicians from other nationalities. The camps in USA from the second half of the last century are quite popular. A lot of Americans are taking part, learning in Bulgarian folk music, and not only there. We know about the existing of a few choirs in different West Europe countries, performing our music and even having Bulgarian names. In the last decades, many people visited Bulgaria on a folk tours and learned about Bulgarian folk music and its specifics. This interest is largely growing up after the national fairs of folk art were organized in the second half of the last century. Some of them are still a fact, happening every year or in a larger period of time, visited by thousands of foreign tourists. Some Bulgarian musicians and teachers are traveling from years to make workshops and teach the local people in that traditional art. Here in Bulgaria, every year seminars are organized, visited by dozens of foreign performers who are learning to play some folk instrument or singing. And here's the place of the platform, to fill the time between the sporadic visits of Bulgaria or some seminars in other countries, so those who have some interest to be able to work on their instrumental or vocal technique at any time of the year in place that's suitable for them, only using the online communication. In case there are walk of some interest in you with this video, you can continue using the platform BFM&M, and I suggest you to pay attention to the article types of interpretation of Bulgarian folk music. If you find the information in this video helpful, so you may give your positive opinion by clicking the like button or share it in the social networks to help us promote our activity. Thanks for watching and go to the next video.